Hi guys, welcome to a short video about my experience with the Dickinson original Witch Hazel and if this works against hair loss. You can find a lot of sources in the internet saying that the Witch Hazel can work against hair loss, and I've tried it for 2 months now, morning and evening, and I've put on a lot. And the question is, did it work for me? So the short answer is, I'll give it to you after I make some introduction about what it can do actually, or what people are claiming what it does. So people are saying, how can it help for hair loss? They say, yeah, first it can treat dandruff. Second thing is it can help against skin or scalp irritation. And third thing is they say it helps to increase the blood circulation to the scalp. Like Witch Hazel is believed to reduce hair loss by helping to grasp the hair follicle into the tissue of the scalp. And that sounds very promising. And I mean, this is the most famous brand. And I really have been trying this morning and evening for 2 months. And how did it work? And yeah, I have to tell you, unfortunately, it did nothing for me. So even usually when I was showering normally, was even using like a anti-hair loss shampoo, and then went out of the shower, dried my hair, the remainders of my hair, and put on a lot of these. And when I was watching my hands, I was always seeing a lot of hair on my hands. So for me, it really didn't work. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad stuff. I will do another video about the Witch Hazel and my experience overall about Witch Hazel. But for hair loss, I mean, hair loss caused by like DNA, whatever you got from your parents as a gift in your DNA, it definitely did not work for me. I mean, I don't have hair loss caused from dandruff or scalp irritation or bad blood circulation or something like that. If you're having problems with your scalp, I think it can definitely work. I mean, a lot of people have like irritation, like not good blood circulation in the scalp, like irritations, inflammations, and rashes, and some things. And maybe it could work then. Yeah, I see it more like in this area. And maybe the statements which you find on the internet are coming like from this side. They are not coming from the side when people are having problem with just normal DNA caused early hair loss. I mean, early, it starts usually with 30, 40, 50 years and gets worse and worse and worse. There's no inflammation, no rash, no nothing, but just hair thinning and losing more and more hair. So I think it's not working. I haven't found a lot about that. Just some people saying, okay, yeah, use a good brand. I think Dickinson is the original. It's a good brand. But some people say, yeah, you should use without alcohol. When we look at the ingredients, we see there's a 14% alcohol. Maybe there's really something without alcohol. They say, yeah, without alcohol, it's less drying. I haven't experienced any kind of drying, not at all. I mean, for the skin, for me, it works absolutely perfect. Just for the hair, it didn't do anything. But anyway, I mean, if you want to give it a chance, you can order it online, like even on Amazon, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I think it's a good product. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I'll do another video about that, what it can do for you. But for hair, yeah, I don't see it at the moment. And but it would be interesting to learn from you. What's your experience? Have you tried it? How long did you try it? What have been your results? Please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.